Lillian, who's coming later? Who's coming home? Who's coming home? Daddy. Daddy's coming. That's right. Daddy's gonna be here. We get excited for Daddy to come. Yay! Who's outside? Just a bunch of birds? We like birds. Birds! Are there any birds out there? Let's look to see if there's birds. Come on, let's check. Do you see any birds? I don't see any birds flying. Do you see them in the sky? Let's see if we see any birds. Any birds? Any birds? I don't see any. Don't see any birds, but we can keep looking.